What's up, motherfoxers? I got a problem with a tailgate. Let's fix it. So here you go. This thing closes like it's got like one of those assist things on it, you know, a strut. I've kind of fixed it a little bit. It used to come down slower than that. But the problem is, right in here, see that? There's a plastic bushing that's disintegrated inside there, so that's our problem. This one's got one too. I also put some lube in there the last time I put this tonneau cover on it, but I am going to probably remove this tailgate, maybe get inside here, lube up the latch and everything, and then get these bushings replaced. I know there's a plug underneath here. I gotta unplug to feed that through there so I can get this off. That way I can put it on the table, get these bushings in there a little bit easier, and just there's nothing wrong with my latch. I just want to make sure there's nothing gonna be wrong with my latch, you know what I'm saying? Of course. There it goes. Here's another piece of it. Take a look here. So I gotta somehow, I don't know how this is gonna go. A bushing that's disintegrated in there. Yeah, I'm not sure what I gotta do here. I thought it'd be simpler than what I just discovered. Nothing is ever as it seems. It was pewter before it was black. I just took this off. It looks alright. I'm just gonna see if we can't find some like lithium grease or something just to lube everything up while it's off. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It works great. Just want to get this corrosion to stop. Probably get this. I got fluid film all up and down this thing, but maybe get some in here. There's the rod for this whole thing here. And what I'm looking at, I gotta. This is the bushing that went bad. I was thinking it was the outside because I saw a piece shoved in there, but it's this piece right here. So it's got to get that fished out of there. And this is the kit that I got. This one goes over there. I don't think I'm gonna replace that one. That one's fine. But one of these right here got to get shoved in there. So I'll clean that up. Just a dormant I got on Amazon, so I probably picked that up at the parts store. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is becoming a sculpting project. It's not being nice, man. I'm having to chisel away with a couple of friggin' screwdrivers and a hammer, a little dead blow here, to get this out of there. Just like the rust is all the hands are holding for the rust, so, and we'll get it cleaned out of there, man. Found some marine grease hanging out in the cupboard, so we got all those lubed up there, and all the rust spots I used, of course, fluid film. It's good stuff down there. So, but I got the piece out. So now I gotta clean it out first. I'm just gonna take a wire brush to it, clean it out. I know the newer ones are designed a little bit differently, but they get a lot of moisture in there and they end up having to replace their whole latch assembly, which is interesting. I seen that video and I'm like, well, if I'm gonna do this and I'm getting in there, and we're gonna do that. So, sad trombone moment. Yeah, neither one of them fit in there. So, that's useless. I don't need the other one. So I guess I'm gonna go to the parts store anyway. So I go online and AutoZone and Napa show the same damn kit. Guaranteed to fit your 2013 F-150 half ton. Look at this. This is supposed to go inside that hole, which is supposed to go in here. That's not right. It's showing that number up there in the corner of it too. I don't know what the hell is going on. I did go look for a while. I even went to FordParts.com, American Truck. Nobody has what I'm looking for here. And as I searched more and more, other places kept trying to sell this as that's the deal. No, it's not. So, I don't know. I may have to go to a Ford dealer if I want that part. But I'm thinking maybe we pack some grease in there. I mean, it's not moving around too bad. I got everything back on there, but yeah, it's not moving around too bad. But I don't know, maybe I'll pack some grease in there, some of that marine grease or something, keep it from flopping around a little bit. I don't know, or it'll just melt when the weather gets hotter. It's full of grease. It's either gonna melt or just push right out. So, but maybe it'll keep it from bouncing around. It wasn't moving really that much. All right, there you go. It's all put together. And never used to do that. It acted like it had an assist. So what, 2009 to 2014, guys? Those are not the bushings for those years. If you see the number up in the corner, the 38641, you go online, everybody's showing this to replace the bushings in these years' vehicles, and that is not correct. But you see this 2006 F250? We just looked at his tailgate, and those are for that. So I'll be keeping these. You can have them. But they are no good for this trucks. It was very uneventful. We just slapped some grease in there and made this thing move better. Later, guys.